All right, trade recap. I ended up getting smoked on the day. Yeah, I got destroyed. So looking at price over here, first thing is yes, we had this buy side liquidity. Asking me if it's gonna hold, absolutely not. This buy side means nothing. Yes, we have three taps. It's a big draw on liquidity, and we respected it. We tapped into it, but bro, this is our higher time frame. This buy side inside of the fair value gap. This is our higher time frame draw, and I can bet you my life savings we are gonna continue higher. Like we have to continue higher. There's no way. So yeah, second I saw that, I was like, okay, this is gonna be a very beautiful long opportunity. Screw the buy side, doesn't even matter. What did I do? Well, we had an SMT over here, NAS ES. So that being said, I draw it out inside of a fair value gap. So these are very two strong confluences. This is my strategy. I traded every single day during the New York Open. Well, at least one of my strategies, one of the two. Then I go down to a 1 minute time frame looking for an entry. Now I see we have a manipulation over here, but very chopped price. So go to the 5 minute. Looks much nicer, right? Perfect. So what do I do? Manipulation leg. Beautiful. Mark that out. Inside of an inversion for value gap. Guys, this is a no-brainer. Price is going to go higher. And stop loss, of course, right at these lows. Take profit. I was aiming for the buy side because that was my overall draw on liquidity. And we ended up getting smoked. Yeah. Very unfortunate. Can't even lie. Very, 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 very unfortunate. It is what it is. I think for next time, when I am looking at trades like this, I'm going to keep in mind that when in doubt, even if we're on a buy side and it is weak, still take into account. So that is my bad on that part for sure. Definitely should have had that in mind. Other than that, I mean, it wasn't that big of a loss, so I'm not too disappointed about it. It's just kind of stupid to me because we should have definitely pushed higher. Other than that, guys, that is that for the trade recap. If you did like the video, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think, and if you want one-on-one mentorship with me, I have a link down below, and you got a free trial there. So I hope it's the right place for you. Other than that, have a beautiful rest of your day, boys and girls.